Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Google Authenticator for your Bybit account so your funds stay fully protected. This is one of the most important security features on any crypto exchange, and Bybit strongly recommends having 2FA enabled at all times. Before we start, remember one very important thing. Make sure you store your recovery key phrase somewhere safe. That recovery key phrase is the only way to reconnect your Google Authenticator if you lose your phone or move to a new device. Once you're inside your Bybit account, head over to your security settings page. If the platform asks you to log in again, just do that, and then you'll see the settings button you need to click to start the 2FA binding process. When you open it, Bybit will ask you to verify your identity first. Just click on the option to send the verification code, and Bybit will send a code to either your registered email or your phone number. Enter the code exactly as it appears and confirm. If you ever don't receive the email or SMS, Bybit has help articles for both issues, so you can check those for troubleshooting. After the verification passes, a small window will pop up displaying a QR code. Don't close this window. Keep it as it is because you'll need it in a moment. Now, pick up your smartphone and download the Google Authenticator app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once it's installed, open the app and tap the plus icon, then choose the option to scan a QR code. Point your phone at the QR code shown on your Bybit screen, and the app will instantly generate a brand new 6-digit authentication code for your Bybit account. Before you continue, Bybit will show you the recovery key phrase that's tied to this 2FA setup. This is extremely important. Take your time to write it down and store it in a safe place, whether it's an encrypted cloud storage service or another secure device. If you ever lose your phone, this recovery key phrase is the only way to restore your Google Authenticator access. Once you've saved your recovery key phrase, go back to the pop-up on Bybit, look at the 6-digit code generated inside your Google Authenticator, and type it in. The code refreshes every 30 seconds, so make sure you enter the current one before it changes. Submit it, and your Bybit account will instantly bind to your Google Authenticator. If the platform ever tells you the code is invalid, that usually means the code expired before submission or your device time needs synchronizing, and Bybit has an article that explains how to fix that too. And that's it. Your Bybit 2FA is officially active, your account is protected, and you're all set. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.